Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at the Dollar Tree. So I hope you all enjoy this video. Let's get started. Okay guys, these are makeup brush holders here. They have it in this one with the lemons, the purple, the cherry, and this one. How cute are these? This is a dry brush here. Nice fine. This is a blender makeup sponge. They also have it in purple. And look at these. How cute are these, guys? These are contour blend highlight sponges. So they have it in this purple and this green one and the pink. Aren't those cute? And this is a makeup blender storage here. Okay, so they have it in blue, peach, and purple. Makeup brush holder with the silicone cups. Under eye massager here. They also have the facial ice roller. It comes in peach and green blue. Oh, look at these. These are new, guys, by Sassy and Chic makeup brush. So they have this one, and they have this one. Aren't those cute? Okay, eyeshadow brush here. Oh my goodness, this is just too cute, guys. And so affordable. Yes. Everybody's raving about the blender with the handle, guys. Have you all picked this up yet? They have that one. And they had another one here. I don't see the other one, but yeah, everybody's talking about that. I have not tried it, but everybody's talking about it. And they also have this right here by LA Colors. You're one in a melon. So this is a scented lip balm. It's in watermelon, which I know smells so good. And this one is in the berry. Is what the berry nice. And this one is just the peachy. Okay, so they have this blush here by LA Colors. This is a really pretty color. It is a pink blush, and they have this bronzer spice blush here. Okay, so we have a few finds over here. Yeah. Okay, this is cream gel blush here. This is a liquid eyeliner. Alrighty, friends, we have some new drinks over here. So by Bubbly Burst sparkling water beverage. This is the tropical punch watermelon lime. This one is the cherry lemonade, triple berry, peach mango, and pineapple tangerine. Oh my goodness, these sound delicious. And it says 5 calories, guys. Ooh, I'm gonna have to try these. Only 5 calories. Yes. They also have these juice beverages. This one is by Minute Maid, and this one is the hibiscus mango. Ooh. There's a peach tea over there. Okay. These cute little sunglasses here in white and pink. They're for the, this, it says babe right there, and then this one says bride. Cute, right? Okay guys, so over here on this end cap, they have different items that you can use for Mother's Day gifts, starting with this cute little jar here, this photo frame. This is a frame here, 2-pack candles, These little jars. World's Best Grandma. Tabletop decor here. This one says brave, strong, and loved mom. Okay, in the green, and you're the best in pink. Okay. Let's see what this is. Okay, these are our blenders here, beauty blenders. The sponge and the stand. So it comes in pink and green. Nice. Nice little gifts over here. So this is the cosmetic bag. It says Faith on this one. The lip gloss, mini lip gloss. So we have that one. And this one. Okay. Cleansing wipes. This one is the violet and bergamot with hydrating serum. Okay, you get 25. We have the sunflower and honey. And this one is the carnation and vanilla. Nice. So this is a loofah here. This is a loofah. How cute are these? Oh, these loofahs are just too cute. Yes, pink, and then they have blue. Oh, these are adorable. Yes, they are. Okay, so this is a pedicure set. Yes. A jade roller. Okay, jade scalp comb here. And your body butter. Floral bath soak here. Bath fizzers. Low cut socks. And this is the Crystal Waters bubble bath and bath bomb. That's a set right there. And we have the hydrating hand and nail gloves. You get one pair. And this is the foot spa kit. Okay, they have the house shoes. Nice little stocking stuffers or bag stuffers. Okay. We have these bath sponges here. Microfiber hair wrap. And this is a scrunchie, or towel scrunchie. Ooh, look at these combs. Detangling comb with shower handle. Nice. Well, alrighty, here guys, we have a pie pan and lid. Okay, so with the lid, a loaf pan with the lid here. Yes. And what is this? This is an air fryer parchment paper liners. 15 liners. Okay. Oh, that's great. This is a 2-piece cake pan. Oh my goodness. That is great. This is a heart-shaped pan here. Okay. Well, I like it. I like it. This one here. Okay. This is a pan with the lid. Is this one? Yeah, this is one with the lid as well. Okay. And they have a smaller one. You get a 2-piece square cake pan. They have these cups. You get 2 of these, and these are really large. I like these. And then they have the Coca-Cola. You get 2 of these. The water bottle, PBA free. And you get these. They have these cute bottles here. Avengers and Minecraft. Oh, yes. Oh, look at the coffee cups. These are cute. Oh, I like it. So they have pink, the green, blue, and the gray. Alrighty, alrighty. Oh, these water bottles, PVA free as well. Yes, it has the time and the ounces on it. That is great. Ugh. Not a bad deal here today at Dollar Tree, guys. I'm really impressed with what we have. Okay. It's a cute little mug right there. Okay, new item, guys. So this one is the cocoa butter and biotin styling nectar. Zero crunch weightless definition gel. And it says color safe. Ooh, it's a lot too. Ooh, it says recycle me. Cute packaging. So yeah, that's new this week. African black soap here, made with nourishing shea butter. And they also have the raw shea butter soap here, compared to shea moisture. Okay. Huh. I think I'm gonna get both of these, guys. This is new. This is Beauty Bar Soap, deeply moisturizing bar soap. You get 2 of these. This kind of reminds me of the Dove. I got a feeling that's what it's going to be compared to. Even though it doesn't say it, it kind of looks like that Dove packaging. Okay. Everyone talks about the 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner bar, guys, and the lavender. And this one is the coconut scent. Okay. Talc-free formula. Okay, power stick. This is new, aluminum free, peony coconut. Yes. Well, I thought I was closing it off. This is Suave here, formulated without aluminum. Ooh, this looks good, guys. Cucumber and mint. Ooh. Fresh vibes in the Suave. Awesome blossom. Well, what a surprise. They also have the roll-on. Oh, power stick. Okay. We have that one. That one. Okay. So this is the triple blade here, which is 3, and you get a total of 5 per bag. Well, alright guys, that is it here today at the Dollar Tree. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you all in the next one.